Hello everybody. This time, I will make a tutorial how to record your laptop screen without additional applications on Windows 10. First, you open Windows menu. Then click Settings. Click Gaming. Game bar if off, you click on. Continue to capture. Where you can put the recording results, it's up to you. Click on. You can choose, but I choose 30 seconds. Just maximize, I choose 4 hours. Click on. You can choose, but my advice is to choose the recommended one. The volume, you can adjust, is up to you. Video record. My advice 30 recommended. Video quality. Just standard because it's clear enough and also so it's not too heavy. Also tick to record mouse movements. Then click Close. Let's try. You press the Windows logo and G simultaneously on the keyboard. Then it will appear like this. Then click this to record the screen. And click this to stop. The file will be saved where you saved it earlier. And this is the result.
Taking a look at the lineup on the computer. Prodigy slotting in a potential move to you could understand why. Koke gets a Messi in a free roll behind Luis Suarez. Speaking of Diego Costa with the roll back to Messi, sneaks across. Suarez one times
in that cerebral camera and picks him out. That looks
to get back in the race with Real Madrid, and Atletico Madrid.
It's for Suarez, a nice bouncing ball coming is in. He should make a difference.
Ball sent across, a lunging try to get there by Llorente, and it looks as though Jordi Alba might have gotten the touch, but...
So the tutorial, hopefully useful. Thank you for watching. See you again.